How's it going? My name is Nora. In this video, I'm going to give you all the details about the Billionaire Brain Wave before you decide to purchase it. I also have some important warnings for you, so make sure to watch this video until the end to avoid losing your money. First things first, be cautious about where you buy this product because it is currently only available on the official website. To make it easy for you, I've included the official website link in the video description and in the first comment below. I'm here in the corner of the screen to share my experience and help you decide if the Billionaire Brain Wave is right for you. What is the Billionaire Brain Wave? The Billionaire Brain Wave is an innovative audio program designed to enhance your brain's ability to attract wealth and success. Built on contemporary scientific research, it leverages the brain's power to shape your thoughts, behaviors, and financial outcomes. With a solid 90-day money-back guarantee, the Billionaire Brain Wave promises to transform your life by unlocking your hidden potential. How does the Billionaire Brain Wave work? The Billionaire Brain Wave operates through a simple yet effective mechanism. Activates theta waves. The program's 7-minute audio tracks are designed to activate theta waves in your brain, which are crucial for reconditioning your mindset towards wealth and success. Transforms mindset. By listening to these tracks daily for 25 days, you can begin to see profound changes in your thinking and behavior, leading to greater financial opportunities and overall well-being. Enhances decision-making. The program helps improve your decision-making abilities, allowing you to make better choices that align with your wealth and success goals. Benefits of using the Billionaire Brain Wave. Effortless wealth attraction. A 7-minute daily ritual that sets you on a course towards attracting wealth. Improved opportunities. Opens up new opportunities and enhances your ability to seize them. Enhanced overall well-being. Promotes a positive outlook on life and overall happiness. How to use the Billionaire Brain Wave. Using the Billionaire Brain Wave is straightforward. Daily listening. Listen to the provided 7-minute audio tracks daily in a quiet, private setting to fully calm the brain and activate theta waves. Consistency. Consistent use over 25 days is key to seeing the best results. The Billionaire Brain Wave Guarantee. The program comes with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the outcomes, you can take advantage of the risk-free refund policy, ensuring a worry-free purchase. Final thoughts on the Billionaire Brain Wave. In conclusion, the Billionaire Brain Wave is a game-changer in the realm of wealth and success. By focusing on reconditioning your brain's theta waves, this program not only facilitates financial prosperity but also enhances overall well-being. Don't miss the opportunity to unlock your potential for wealth and success with the Billionaire Brain Wave. Visit the official website to read first-hand reviews, learn more about the program, and make a confident purchase. I hope you found this review informative and look forward to connecting with you again soon.